We're getting ready to have our pickups today. We're gonna get lots of awesome textile waste back at our reuse center to divert it from the landfill. Hey, we just finished our first donation pickup and we have some really good stuff in here that we collected. We got threads, we got zippers, we got some fabric. And I'm kind of excited to see what we kind of find out with all the random stuff. But just to give you an idea, like this is kind of tricky, you know, like we get like this kind of like a piece and we have to figure out what to do with it because it's actually kind of few pieces. And then we have like a random zipper. So, you know, inventory wise, it's pretty complex, but we are so excited to get our hands on it so it doesn't go to the landfill. And we are ready to go to our next pickup. We are going to Richmond. Okay. See you there. Wearing masks.
Road.
Okay, we are at our next spot to get some textile waste collected. Hey, this is so nice. Look at that. We got a special, look, we got a suitcase. We have a special sign here just for us. Okay, yeah, that's not very heavy. All right, we're gonna fit it. We did some mesh. We got some really nice vintage fabric. Perfect. I'm going to open this box and move some fabrics because it's just too heavy to carry. So I'm just going to split it so we can fit it in the car. This is the heavy one. Whoa. Yeah, it's heavy. Great to open boxes and I don't have much space. Ooh, little sneak peek, little vintage. Oh, we got some denim. Oh my god, Erin is gonna die for this one. This is denim, but it has a floral print. This is definitely vintage. Yeah, this needs to get to somebody's hands so it does not go in landfill. This does not belong to the landfill. These ones were borrowing for one of our customers just because I don't have extra bags right now, so we're just going to use this to move some of the fabrics to the bag because the box is just too heavy. And by doing this, we get a first sneak peek at what we're getting. These are really beautiful fabrics, and you can tell somebody really took care of it. So,
I think it's broken the. Oh, okay.
yes, that happens too. That's why we always have tape. Oh my god, I can't believe this fell. Okay, never know what's gonna happen. So it might have to be rewashed, or I hope there's no staining. But if there is staining, we will mark it and take a photo of it so people know. All right. Actually, we're gonna keep this box because we reuse everything we collect. So definitely need a box. It's really great for organization. So I will be right back. All right. Okay, let's load it and go to our next and last donation for today. I'm gonna go see a good friend and I'm excited to see her and see what she got for us. All right, let's roll. Pack it up and go.
400 meters, turn right.
It's so nice to see it.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh, right here. Let's roll. Last pickup of the.
Yeah, so I wanted to show you.
Yeah, okay.
I have this giant box. Yeah. This is like everything I've collected from fashion school and also from my grandmother. So there's like a bunch of stuff. That was like 4 boxes worth of stuff in here. It's assorted
to go through.
I know, yeah, I know, like so much stuff from my grandma too, like from her time. So, yeah.
Wow.
And then this is like stuff I wanted to recycle.
Yeah,
so I put it in a separate bag. But there might be something in here you find useful as well. I don't know.
My god, you're so cute.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is amazing.
Yeah.
No, this is good.
Yeah, feel free to go through it. So yeah.
Wonderful, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yeah, there's like everything from like knits to wovens, wool, lace, fabrics.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, infusing, lining, everything.
Yeah.
Because we're moving. Yeah, like my parents are moving. So we need to like get rid of everything, and I'm like moving to a really small basement.
Yeah.
So I can't carry any of this with me anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's a good time to kind of clear out and just like finish up and just like let go whatever doesn't work.
Yeah. So
I'm so excited. This is awesome. Thank you so much. a lot of people have a lot of decks to waste or just things, you know, they trying to just like
sure, yeah.
find a home for it because they don't want to see it like being wasted. And
For sure.
I think it's
I
awesome.
respect, like, I can help you carry
Are you
it.
sure?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, well let me help
Yeah.
you because, just because it's a bit awkward passage. Beautiful. Yay. Yeah, moving is hard. I can't even do it. It's it can be a lot. Yeah. I told you.
Yes, that is pretty full.
Thank you.
This is your last
Yeah.
pick of the day.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I can't wait to catch up with you. Like, I know there's so much to talk about.
So I know
Yeah.
you're busy.
I
Like,
know.
right there.
You're busier.
We're all busy. Thank you, Jessica.
Yeah, no worries.
Well,
Thank
have
you.
a
Yeah.
easy move.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Thanks for
Bye.
Thank you.
coming.
Yeah.